Good morning, everyone. This is a remake of my Emperor Tachyon impression video from Ratchet Clank Tools of Destruction. I hope you all like it, and here we go. With their city decimated by my enforcers, your race took refuge behind these walls. They believed if they left this dimension, I would leave Polaris unscathed. Is that so? Dimensionator! Find the Lombaxes! Cowards! All of them! Only two stayed behind. The Keeper of the Dimensionator and his infant son. I took great pleasure in destroying your father, Lombax. Pity he sent you to Solana before we could meet. I offer you this one chance. Go home, join your race, or stay and suffer. Typical Lombax, so noble, so courageous, and so very dead. Okay, guys, hope you all liked it. Have a good day, everyone, and I'll see y'all soon. In the words of Dimitri, peace out, bros.